Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing an unboxing and the first impressions of Simon and Garfunkel's Bridge Over Troubled Water. This is the 50th anniversary edition, featuring the iconic songs Bridge Over Troubled Water, Cecilia, I think that says, The Boxer, and The Only Living Boy in New York. It's on 180 gram heavyweight gold vinyl, plus a download code. Ooh. So I'll try and open it on camera, but it's difficult because it's really, there we go. Oh, look at that, that's satisfying. It's like undressing a lady, but a lot less cool. So, without the polystyrene on, I like that picture of the two of them down there as well. That's nice. There is a download code. I will hide that because I want that. Obviously, I know the title track, Bridge Over Troubled Water. It is one of the most famous songs of all time, but I've never actually listened to the album all the way through. So what I'm going to do is, once we've talked about it for a bit and I've shown you it, then we'll cut, and then I'll come back, after listening to it and give you my first impressions. So we got the label. It's ooh, I like that. That is a nice looking vinyl. It's a bit washed out by the camera, sadly, but it is a nice shiny gold, which is really nice. Pardon me. So we have Bridge Over Troubled Water, El Condor Pasa, Cecilia, Keep the Customer Satisfied, So Long Frank Lloyd Wright, The Boxer, Baby Driver, The Only Living Boy in New York, Why Don't You Write to Me, Bye Bye Love, and Song for the Asking. I know, it's supposed to be one of the greatest albums of all time, and it's just one from that period that I'd never actually gotten around to listening to. So it was on sale in Walmart, or Asda if you're in the UK, and I saw it and I thought, well, why not? Let's try it. It was only 16 bucks, so it should be good. I think my favourite song I know from Simon and Garfunkel is definitely Mrs. Robinson. Hey, Mrs. Robinson, loves you more than you will know. Oh. I get copyright for doing that. So yeah, I'm going to cut and come back after I've listened to it. See you then. So long, so long. So, first impressions, I absolutely loved it. I mean, it wasn't going to be terrible, but it was amazing, There's a lot I love about which we'll get into it, but first, just again, quickly, I really do like, and this is proper card again, it's not this cheap ass paper that some records come in. And I did put the sticker on the front, which is not there. It's reversed. I'm done. It's there. And it sounds great on the gold vinyl, which is fantastic. My Oasis definitely maybe 25th anniversary came on a nice silver vinyl, and it looks really cool. The problem is, it skips and it just sounds horrible. Yes, I was worried, especially when I saw all the weird creases on it, if you can see that. That didn't change the sound whatsoever. It sounded brilliant. And it's probably going up. I don't know. The lighting's a bit funny, I'm sorry. The Beatles, the Blue Beatles one I have up there, I'm probably going to swap it out for that one, to be honest, because it looks nice. And, it is an amazing record, and it will get a record review, vinyl review in the future. But for now, first impressions. I love their harmonies, Simon and Garfunkel. I love the use of, it's folk music. So I like the flutes. Actually, I believe somewhere on here it says that there's, arrangement of 18th century Peruvian folk melody, which is cool. I've never listened to Peruvian folk from the 18th century. Obviously, Bridge Over Troubled Water is amazing, but the song that really stood out to me was The Boxer, which I'd never heard before. Now, The Boxer is an amazing, amazing tune. Just, I love the chorus. La 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 la. Obviously, that's terrible, but and I like that photo of them. I know I said before. Just some great harmonies, some great melodies, some great guitar. I love the flute and the horns, and I love the. It must have been on the song "Why Don't You Write Me," where they have the crowd. It sounds like it's live, which for a studio album is perfect. So I am really impressed with this album. I'm gonna have to give it more listens to really get into it. But it was brilliant, and I hadn't really. I believe Paul Simon has that 180s song called You Can Call Me Al or Call Me Al or something like that, which I quite like. But other than that, I'd never really listened to them before, and but fantastic. I'm really impressed. So good first impressions, basically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care, everyone.